Welcome to YouTube video again. Today we're doing another Nerf war. This is going to be part 2. We're using the exact same Nerf guns. If you haven't watched the first one, go and watch it. It was pretty good. It's not going to be as long this time because, you know, yeah, we got to go somewhere in a minute. I've got to go football and, you know. So, there he is. I'm going to go and get my glasses on. I'm going to say go and we're going to go, okay? Let's do this. So, unfortunately, we don't have my camera today, so we're going to have to do it on my tablet. And I am good at camera angles, so don't worry.
I'll go and get the camera quickly, just so you can.
Right. I need to push. Nin. Yeah, safety reasons.
Showing the eyes. And this guy done me sometimes, shot himself in the eye.
I blinded him.
No, it hit me in the eye right here, and I went in there.
Anyway, right, fill your guns up, Matt.
Okay, quick speed forward.
Right, 3, 2, 1, I declare a Nerf war. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you steady?
Yeah.
Well, you're obviously not because you get hit in the face. Let it go.
Jam.
He's jumped already! Get in! Guess what's here?
I've got a jam.
Huh, Anna?
Got a jammy dodger.
Just use another gun.
I know which one you're using. You're using your shotgun, aren't you?
No.
What gun are you using?
The shotgun.
Nice.
You hit the floor.
No.
I got him in the tummy, guys. I got him in the tummy. No, he's been a coward and hiding behind the what? He's gone. Bye.
I'm a dead boy now.
Yeah, he's dead. Great success. Come on in. You ain't got a little time. Do this. Get out in the open. I'm in the open. Come on, look, like me, look. Just be a butterfly. Just go. I ain't shooting you. I can't sing again. Another camera angle. Here you go.
Coming up to my legs, aren't you?
No, I'm not. I'm still somewhere. Under the rainbow.
Hello. Oh, that's in my ear.
Did it?
Yeah. I just went like this.
Ewan, get out of the way. There's a cat. Shoot the cat. I'm a fan of cats and dogs, guys, so please don't dislike me for liking cats, not dogs, because I like dogs too. In fact, I have a pet dog. I wish I had more, but my mum doesn't let me. do this. Come on, you're so slow. You're in the hiding. Come on, Matt. Look at me. I won't shoot, but look. I've been up here the whole time.
How did he be?
I skimmed your foot. He's moved again. There he is. Can you see him there, guys? Nuts.
Hey, Human! Human! Look, there's a wiggly wall.
Guys, we can't see you, Matthew. You're ducking. You're ducking like a chicken. We can just see your nose.
Okay.
You can just see him. First person. Ding 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 ding. It's first person shooter. Look. Dun 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 dun.
There's a wiggly wall. There is a first person camera. Are you using it right now?
Yeah, we're using first.
For the part one.
Dun dun. Where are you? Come out, Matthew. I will kill you. There he is. He's about to run. Really run. He's reloading his shotgun. No, he's reloading his hair dryer. Changing gun. Changing.
I've got weird hair today.
He's had a haircut.
Yesterday I had a haircut.
Ah, he's gonna hit the... Yeah, the camera. So guys, I've changed gun. The shotgun still. No, I'm just joking. I've got this gun, the modulus. No, the camera keeps. The camera's died again. Right. This is actually probably going to be longer than the first episode. But we got a jammy podger. Oh no, we're just out of ammo. I didn't see that. Oh, I didn't see him. He scared me. Oh, wait, he's out. I'm out. I don't know what just happened, and I don't really care. Hello. I still have bullets. You know that, right? Oh no. Run. Ding 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 ding. No! I couldn't get my gun out in time. I'm so sorry, guys.
Bullet one.
Or shoot his bottom run.
No, bullet one.
Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun.
Bottom then.
No, I'm reloaded.
No.
Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. First person shooter. Did I get you?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. He's got a pillow in his face. You weren't Shem. No, I'm out. No. Quickly. Get. I'm gonna get a bullet, guys. Hang on.
No.
You've got to be joking. He missed. I definitely haven't. Say goodbye. Oh yeah, and again, mate. You didn't hide from me. I will kill you. What's your name? You're wrong. I said, what's your game name? What's your name? Yeah. Yeah. No. We're going to end up the video here. If you would like to shoot the camera, Matthew, for a goodbye.
Bye.
Right. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. This is part 2. See you next time in part 3. Hopefully his hair will be better.